Students, today in this chapter, we will learn about the building forms. In general, a form is a printed, digital or typed document with blank spaces for insertion of the required or requested information. Likewise, Access provides forms which prompts the user to provide information that can be fed into database. Forms allow you to add and update data in one record at a time in a table. Although Access provides a data sheet view, which is a convenient way for entering data, but it is not an appropriate tool for every data entry scenario. Sometimes when you work with different users and do not want to expose them to the inner working of Access, you may choose to use Access Forms. Creating forms for your database can make entering data much more convenient. When you create a form, you can design it in a way that works with your database and makes sense to you. Although a form can have a different name from a table, but they both manipulate the same information and data. If you change a record in a form, it will be reflected in the table. Forms in Access are like displayed cases in stores that make it easier to view or get the items that you want. Data can be inserted, updated and deleted in your database using a form object. Access provides three main views in which a form is displayed. Form view. This view is used to enter or edit data. Design view. This view is used to adjust the design of your form. It gives you a more detailed view of the structure of form like header, detail and footer sections for form. Layout view. This view is used to change the look and feel of a form. It is useful for setting the size of controls and changing their appearance. Students, let's know more. The form property sheet is also accessible by right-clicking anywhere on the form in the design view and selecting the properties from the menu. Okay, now let us learn how to create new form in Access using Form Wizard. The Form Wizard is an inbuilt feature in Microsoft Access which makes the form creation easy and fast. You can use the Form Wizard than the other provided tools to have more control over a form. To create a form through Form Wizard, follow the steps given below. Select the Students table from the navigation pane. Click on the Create tab on the ribbon. Click on the Form Wizard option in the Forms group. Step 1. The Form Wizard dialog box appears on the screen. Select the table or query on which form is to be created from the Tables or Queries drop-down box. Here we have selected the table Students. Step 2. Select the fields in the Available Fields category that serve as the data source for your form. Transfer all the fields or selected fields from the Available Fields box to Selected Fields box by clicking on the corresponding buttons respectively. Click on the Next button. Step 3. In the next window, Form Wizard will be asking you to choose a layout for your form. As you select any option from the provided 4 options, the preview of it appears in the box on the left side. Here we have selected the columnar layout. Click on the Next to move to the next screen. Step 4. In the next screen, give a desired name to your form. Make sure that Open the Form to View or Enter Information Radio button is selected. Click on the Finish button and the new form will appear in the Access workspace as shown here. Students, let's know more about Combo Box. It provides a more compact way to present a list of choices. It also gives the option to enter a value that is not in the list. It combines the features of text box and a list box. Alright, now let me tell you how to create a form using Form Design. You have learned how to create a form through the Form Wizard. Though it is an easy way to create a form, but it has its own limitations of having a fixed format. That is, all the fields appear in the preset order at a fixed position in the form. On the other hand,